Journalists in Bengaluru staged a protest on February 20th at the Vidhana Soudha opposing new restrictions on media access inside the State Secretariat. The protest took place in front of the Mahatma Gandhi Statue on the premises of Vidhana Soudha. Media personnel wore black clothes and black masks as a mark of protest against a recent circular issued by the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms. According to the new directive, journalists can record official video statements only at a designated spot near the western gate of Vidhana Soudha. The order also states that media representatives should not follow the Chief Minister or other ministers inside the premises to record statements. The Department of Personnel and Administrative Reform said the restrictions were introduced in the interest of security. Protesting journalists said the new rules would affect routine reporting and limit their access to elected representatives. They argued that such restrictions make it difficult to gather news and hold public officials accountable. The journalists submitted a representation to KV Prabhakar, media advisor to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. He assured them that their concerns would be looked into and that the content of the circular would be reviewed. The move also drawn political reactions. The Bharatiya Janata Party opposed the decision, calling it an attempt to curb media freedom in the name of security. The issue has now sparked a wider debate over media access and press freedom in the State Secretariat.